It's me! Oh.
Yes.
You want me to take my bathrobe off upstairs? Oh, looks like you brought a truck to bed last night, hey?
Daddy.
Daddy's gave you that to you?
Yes.
Your hair is funky today.
Thanks, it did.
Huh?
It's dead.
It's dead. I heard you playing your music, so I figured I'd come and get you.
Yes.
How do you push the button?
Yes. The blue button.
Oh, the blue one. You don't like the pink, purple one anymore? What happens when you push the purple button?
Yellow button.
Let's hear the purple one. What's your favorite button?
Green.
Oh. Are you ready to come out?
Yes.
Okay.
The colors. The color. Green.
You like green the best? Are we gonna have a good day today?
Yes.
Yes. Are we gonna wake up happy?
Yes.
Let's see your happy morning face. Oh, that's pretty. I like that one. You wanna go upstairs and eat breakfast? Oh, you're heavy.
Broken. See? Broken. Broken.
Who broke it?
Oh no. Fix it. Downstairs. Fix it. Upstairs.
Fix it upstairs?
Yes.
Go ahead, I'll follow you up the steps. Keep going.
Next.
Oh, next? Okay. Whoa.
Next. Next.
Next. Do you want me to,
Next step.
do you want me to carry your sippy so you can hold the railing?
No. Hold it. Little me. See?
Oh yeah, you didn't even hold the railing.
Look, little ring. See? A ring. Little ring. Little ring. Hey. Hey. Little ring. Hey. Hey. My coffee cup.
My coffee cup.
Here, Mama. A phone.
Yeah. Phone, thank you.
Oh. It's change it up. Pencil. Change it up.
Change what up?
Change a phone. A
Oh,
pencil.
charge it up so you can play with it?
Okay.
Okay. Let's go eat some breakfast, okay?